Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'm going to share with you my process for creating a fall pillow using the DollarTree baby fleece blanket. What you'll need are some fall leaves and of course the blanket, some spray paint. I used a metallic silver, some fabric glue. I got this from Hobby Lobby many years ago. It was rather thick. A glue gun, and a shameless plug for my cute little sign. So the first thing you can do is find 3 leaves that you would want for your pillow. Spray paint them. You only need to spray paint the front. Let them dry. I let them dry overnight just to make sure that they were dry. Then use your pillow as a base and trace around and cut so that you have 2 pieces for the front and the back. Then using your fabric glue, put the glue on the flowers and add them to the one of the pieces of the fabric, and then lay something heavy on it so that it will stay, and let it dry thoroughly. Then using the glue gun, put your right sides together and glue around 3 sides. Turn your pillowcase right side out, insert your pillow, and then with your glue gun, very carefully fold in the sides and then just glue it shut, and be careful you don't burn your finger. And there you have it. The pillow's all done. And I think it's going to look really cute with my fall decorations. Thank you. If you like this video, please give it a like, consider subscribing, and I'll be back again soon. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.